How to add another language on your iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Tap General. Next, scroll down and tap Language and Region. Under Preferred Languages, tap Add Language. You'll now see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the language you want to add. Once you find it, tap the language. After that, your iPhone will ask whether you want to use the new language as your primary iPhone language or keep your current language. If you want your entire iPhone to display in the new language, tap Use Selected Language. If you simply want to add the language to your preferred languages while keeping your current language, tap Keep Current Language. Your iPhone will update the language settings. You'll now see the newly added language in your preferred languages list. And that's it. You've successfully added another language to your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.